Recording.
Hey. Alright, so I'm on Warwoman Road. I'm headed east towards US 28. I'm going to tell you the first 7 miles of Warwoman Road out of Clayton, Georgia is brand new fresh pavement. We came through yesterday as they were putting it down, so I figured I needed to come out today and try it on a real bike. That my camera died and I wanted video of this road. I talk about it in a lot of my videos. If you're coming to this area to ride, US 28 south of Highlands, North Carolina, and Warwoman are a couple roads you need to hit. US 28 did get fresh pavement. It has brand new pavement on it. That part of 28 needed pavement for a long time. It had been tar snaked for about the last 15 years, and it was just miserable to ride. But Warwoman, I had a good run through Warwoman yesterday. I was on a Honda VFR. Today I'm on a Ducati 848. And yeah, my camera battery just stopped. So, yeah, that, and I was behind a some POS Toyota SUV. But Warwoman is beautiful. It's just after 8 o'clock in the morning and it's about 60 degrees out here. The sunlight is very bright. It's at that angle where you can't really see the road. This half of Warwoman headed to 28 is, there's not a lot of people that live out here. But that's nice if you're a rider. Then you don't have to fight with traffic. You see what I mean about this being a good road, right? We're not even in the twisty part yet. It's got Deal's Gap style twisties. But it's not Deal's Gap. There are no photographers. You're not in inbred Graham County, North Carolina. Graham County is kind of getting better. More and more people are starting to move there from somewhere else. Maybe they'll get that gene pool straightened out. I doubt it, right? Because the people that are moving there are older and they have money. They're not breeding. Man, the kudzu's about to take over the side of that road back there. Our buddy Tracy went off in one of these curves, put his motorcycle about 30 feet down the side of the mountain. 6 full-grown men could not lift that motorcycle back up to the roadway. Some old guy in a Toyota pickup truck pulled up and asked us if we needed help. We were like, yeah, you got a rope? He did not. But he had about 60 dogs in the back of his truck and a whole bunch of leashes. We clicked all those dog leashes together and pulled a CBR 1000RR up the side of the mountain. It was funny. It's funny thinking about it. Because Tracy crashed that CBR at least 4 more times after that. Finally, his insurance company totaled it, and he ended up buying a Ducati 1198. A lot better bike. Alright, I'm ending the video here. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, you know the deal. I'm going to make a left-hand turn. This is 28, brand new pavement, and I'm going to start the video off again.